Now this package is a little more special than the others because there's a unique product in there. Let's get into it. Today I've got the best not a knife available. Wow, this knife is shit. There's the package. That's what I've been waiting for. Jesus Christ. Oh, fuck now. The Razer Hammerhead True Wireless. Ultra low, waterproof, resistant, whatever. 13mm drivers. And it doesn't sound like a lot, but in comparison to Apple Pods, they're big as fuck. Very nice packaging, laid out nicely. Let's get into it. We'll get there one day. Very nice. Yeah, we don't need that shit. Oh my, there better be stickers. Just like the headphones. Where the fuck are my headphone stickers? Oh, yo, that's fucking sick. Fuck that. Rightio, so it appears that I'm autistic and can't get this out. We got the buds. Actually quite fucking weighty. Very nice. Very nice. I better hide the... That's not a knife. Oh, buds. Oh, pull tabs. It's like they knew how dumb the box design was. Fucking hell, it's cheap. Oh my god, it's charged. I don't like that. The lid is fucking loose. And of course, holy shit, that's awesome. Of course, razer colored fucking USB, of course. Why wouldn't it be? Decent sized cable. Rightio. Sorry, my fat hands aren't used to tiny jack shit. They're fucking magneted! Oh, baby, that's awesome! Now, I'm not gonna force you to watch me struggle with this shit. So, I'm looking at the fucking manual, and apparently this little doohickey is a wrist strap. Don't know about you guys, but I'm on a tiny little Asian faggot. So, that ain't happening. Yeah, let's use someone's tiny little Asian hands. Still too big.
Bigger than yours.
What fucking Asian hand does this fit? You gotta be a child. And goddamn, if I give this to a child, I'll look like a bloody molesterer. Right, I'm gonna figure out how to set this up. Right, connecting them to the phone is piss easy. You literally open up the lid, it's in pairing mode. You go to your Bluetooth, you tap it, one tap, no pin, nothing like that. It's easy as shit. Now, there is a full app to this, and I do have it. Somewhere. I found the app. Now, it's down here. Let it do its thing. There we go, it did its thing. It only took a few seconds. Oh, look at that, we got fucking shitloads of shit, and that's awesome. Yes. The touch features are actually on the razer emblem on the buds. I'll show that again soon. You got all these cool features. They're cool. You got your equalizer, fucking enhanced bass, of course. And you got low latency gaming mode for if you're a faggot like me and you play goddamn fucking what's that shitty COD mobile, that's it. The standard crap. Right, let's test them out. Right, so I've been playing with them for a few minutes. These are the best fucking sound devices I own. I mean, I don't have anything amazing to compare it with, but I find these incredible. These are just the Kraken Ultimates. These are very fucking nice. They got a nice amount of bass. All the high end is still there. It's a really fucking well made headphone. Like, this is good for everything. These are better. These are 40mm drivers. These are huge. These are 13mm. These are better. First of all, it feels like there's nothing in my ears whatsoever. They just sit there, that's it. The sound quality is what I expect from, like, I don't know, professional grade shit. And this is just somewhat cheap gaming stuff. If this is what Razer can make, why the fuck can't Samsung make something decent? I mean, I hear their beans are shit. These look like fucking AirPods, sound better than AirPods, and fucking feel better than AirPods. Oh, and also the earbuds have a little fucking rubber casing that goes over the speaker bit, that goes in your ear. It traps sound. So it's like I'm wearing overhead fucking, you know, headphones. It's incredible. 107, I spent 170 on this. NZD, that is. I think they're about $100 US or something like that. Amazing. If you've got the money and you want buds, get these. These will be better than any fucking big brand shit that you could ever possibly imagine. This is fucking epic. Alright, see you later.